Where's mommy? Binilan mo si daddy ng cake, baby G? Kasi birthday ni daddy? Yeah. Binilan nila ako ng cake. Kasama si baby G. Oh, it's not. Oh, no, it's not broken. Hmm? Say happy birthday, daddy.
Happy birthday,
daddy. Bibilan mo si daddy ng ano? Pizza?
Pizza.
Yeah, pizza.
Let's go pizza. Go get some. Yeah.
Pizza. Sinurprise nila ako. Pero alam ko.
Let's go to pizza.
Yeah, pizza.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Say happy birthday, daddy.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Yeah. The goal?
What is your Daddy, what are you Daddy?
Laki mo na, oh.
Let's go to pizza. Mommy, let's go to pizza.
Bibilan ako ng baby G ng pizza. Pasok. Yeah. Pili si daddy ng pizza. Ano masarap din?
Oh, ito favorite ko chicken.
Ito ba yun? Ito ba yun yung may barbecue?
Ah, ito. Ito yung
Yeah. You like pizza? Gianna, favorite niya yung pizza. Yeah. Wow, ganda naman ang damit mo, baby G. May Barbie. Okay. Pizza.
Daddy, I want a biscuit with the burger powder.
Heart. Paano heart? Yes.
No. This is my square.
What's that? Triangle?
No, that's square.
Oh.
They be hard. They be hard, Daddy.
Heart.
They, what's that?
Triangle.
Sharon. No, mystery. No, it's hard.
Baby G,
What?
say daddy, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, daddy.
Happy birthday.
Say happy birthday, daddy.
Birthday is the heart.
Okay.
Say, what's that?
Heart.
Heart? No, wait a second. This one.
A few moments later.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy. Alas na. Okay, yan na yun. You want to take cake na? I'll get you cake na? Okay.
Let's eat na.
I'll get you. Want cake?
Yummy. Yeah. Yummy. Wow, sarap naman yung ano, red velvet yan. Favorite ni Gianna yung mga cake. Yummy. Oh, dami naman dati. Pinagluto tayo ni Mami ng handa. Huh? Yummy.
Birthday, Daddy! Ay, kumakain yung bata, oh.
Picture muna tayo. 1, 2. One more. 1, 2. Let's eat na.